And we're back for another video on the DS650 swap here. Today I'm going to be cutting these lower frame rails. There's not enough room to make this work. And I talked to a couple people that told me to extend the whole frame, top and bottom, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to deal with the plastic in the seat. But we are going to cut it back in here, and I'll have to notch all this and run a piece of tubing straight through. We're going to bring it out 3 inches. We'll come up and I'm going to cut up here and run it through this way 3 inches wider than stock. It'll still be an angle out here. It'll be up here, but so we're going to build that, be kind of a little motor cradle. That way I can get the motor in and turn it a little bit so I have room for my throttle bodies and be able to drop it down a couple inches, like 2.5 inches. And that should give me room for my sprocket and chain and all that. With this side, it should fit. I gotta bring it forward because there's not enough room. The oil pan's there. I got a foot peg here and the brackets. I don't want to mess with them. So if I just bring it forward a 1/2 inch, I'll have room for my tube to go through and turn and bring it up this way and tie back in up here. And this oil pan will be sitting either level with the frame now or a little bit below it. It'd actually probably be a little bit below it. Which, clearance wise, we're going to have the oil pan down there and the exhaust running next to it, which kind of sucks, but there's no way around it. I was kind of wanting to keep my ground clearance the best I could, but there's just no room. So we'll start working on her. Okay, so we got the new motor cradle built. I got the motor in place. Started making some temporary mounts I'll use just to keep it where I want it. Welder started goofing up on me and it's been giving me some problems. But it's in there. Got all kinds of room up here now. Still have to reinforce all this once it's all together. But this is pretty much how it's going to sit.